Good morning, everybody. Well, I treated myself to a crockpot slow cooker, and today I'm going to do a minced beef and some vegetables. I also bought home fried slow cooker, chili con carne. So instructions are on the back. I've never done it before with this, so I'm going to give it a go. Got some onion, some nice red onion, some new potatoes, Tesco's finest, as they say, and I got a whole raft of different vegetables: green beans, Brussels sprouts, bit of cauliflower, cabbage and leek. See that? So, and some mushrooms. I'll chuck all them in. So yeah, come back later when it's all done. I'll see you later. Just some ingredients I forgot to mention: black pepper, rosemary, seaweed seasoning, which smoked whiskey, which I got in Northern Ireland when I was over in Northern Ireland last year. I bought a bottle of classic red wine vinegar, so should be able to try that. Some tomato puree and some garlic puree. Got that. Some soy sauce, not the original soy sauce, the cheaper version. Some bay leaves and some garlic granules, just add a little bit of flavour. I'll put some of it in, I won't put all of it in. Right, onions are all chopped up. I'll put some hot water in the pot just to heat the pot up, so I'm not putting the meat straight into a cold pot. I've emptied the water out down the sink. Okay, the the mince is in now, so I'll just chuck in these onions down the side. I do like my onions. Sorry for a bit too many. But yeah, I do like my food. Alright, got the potatoes in the sink. I'm just going to give them a bit of a wash. Right, next in the water, do some Brussels sprouts. There's not many there. Just peel them and put them in the slow cooker. Right, as you can see, on top of the meat, I've got some new potatoes, some Brussels sprouts, and some green beans. I'm just going to add a few more ingredients, and I think I'll put a drop of this in as well, and see how it goes. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye. Hi, right, I've got the potatoes, the beans and the meat and the sprouts all in the slow cooker. So I've just made some stock with good old oxo cubes. Put a couple of those in. Got about 3/4 a pint of mix, so I'm just going to pour that in and get some more seasoning, get some seasoning in, and a few more vegetables. I'm not going to put too much more in. But like I said, the last one I did lasted me 2 days. I know you're all going to say it's far too much in there, but it'll all cook down. It'll all go down anyway. So anyway, here goes the stock. I'm just going to pour this in, and then I shall get it. Alright, so I got in the sink, some water in there, some hot water. Okie dokie, now I've got to find my lid. Here we are. Pop that on. Right, that's it. It's all in the slow cooker. So it's not actually plugged in the slow cooker. I just put it over there so I could show you. I'm not even going to show you what's in the top. You can probably just see it. Some tomato puree I poured on top of the vegetables, but hey, what the heck, it's not going to kill me. It's all vegetables and it's all good food, so we'll see when it's all finished anyway. I'll show you what the what the results look like when it's actually finished. I did forget that I had the slow cooker chili con carne sauce, but hey, that'll do for another day. What the heck? There's enough stock in it, and all the vegetables and mushrooms, and that they all create moisture as well. So it'll there's plenty in there going on. So anyway, I shall remove it from there. I've got a little spot underneath my telly. My telly's just here. So, and I've got a little spot just down there. Got the hard standing for the sink. So I'll put the slow cooker on that, because the plugs are here, you see. So there's no plugs on the wall or anything over there. So I'll move it over here and get it all going, and hopefully it'll all look good. Wish me luck. Bye. Hi everybody. Well, I said I'd let you see the end result, and it looks like it's all done now. So let's take the lid off. Ooh, that looks so good. Got potato, cabbage leek, minced beef, potatoes. I think I've said that already. Yeah, so that all looks good. So I'll just let that settle for a while now. I've taken it out of the slow cooker. I got the old trusty Ridge Monkey out, so I've got some Yorkshire puddings. So I'm going to do a couple of those, put them in the Ridge Monkey for about 20 minutes, and I'll have them with me slow cooker meal, whatever it's called. Alright, bye now. Alright, they're not too big actually, so I'm going to have these 3. There you go. So put them in there, just close the lid. That all gets nice and tight. With these, it's like a double-sided frying pan. It locks the heat in. Brilliant bit of kit. Do lots of stuff: sausages, bacon, fish fingers, even my toast, to make toast in it as well. Yeah, brilliant. So wouldn't be without it. Anyway, I've got the electric on low, so like I said, that will take about 20 minutes, and then I'll have that with me minced beef concoction. Alright, bye now. Well, I've got the Christmas lights on, make it all nice and cozy. Nice good ambience down there as well. Well, here we are guys, all finished and looking pretty delicious. It smells great. So I'm going to tuck into this while watching France. At the moment they're winning 3-0 over Poland. So anyway, have a good evening. Bye.